I'm Heather with WTI. I need to show you our Steadyrack bike rack and how much they helped us in the garage. This is what it looked like before. Kind of awful. I would bang my car door on these pedals and it was just terrible. Steadyrack makes an amazing bike rack. This bike rack is lifesaver to me. We needed something that was a better option altogether, great for space saving and still convenient. This is super easy to use. I installed it myself, kind of tickled about that because it was that simple. You just find a stud, attach, hang your bike. It's that simple. Then you just balance the bike on its rear wheel and push it right into the track. These come as a 2-pack, upright hanging, frees up the space, and also the inward pivot helps both of our adult bikes to neatly push inward for a few extra feet of space. If you and your family are also looking for a solution for your bikes, definitely look at the Steadyrack. We recommend it, and that's our point of view.